I wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue. You know how I ride for you. Oh no girl, you don't have a clue. Wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue.
Hey guys, I'm gonna jump right into this knotless braid video. I'm gonna put jam around her edges, and this is a good style for the summer to wear because they're very fast to put in and they're very easy. I think that I'm gonna make a video of me actually doing them on myself. So how I start them is I'll take the one section that I have for the braid and I'm going to split it into 3 sections before I even start braiding. So you see me here, I'm splitting into 3 sections. Then I have my fingers in between them, and 1 piece is on the top and 2 at the bottom. I'll put the hair underneath of the finger that's on the top and I'll braid it once, and then I'll put another piece of hair, do the same thing, and I'll braid it again. And I'm doing this so that each piece of her real hair has a piece of the synthetic hair to go under it. And then I continue to add hair into it just to add that thickness towards the end and the middle of her hair, because they are supposed to be large, so I'm trying to make them as thick as I can in the middle. And if you can see, it's getting thicker as I'm going down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up so you can see me do her whole head, and you can kind of get the hang of it by seeing me do it repeatedly. And I'll post all the products and the hair we used in the description so you can know how many packs I used. I'll be back at the end of the video to let you know how it all went. so I slowed down this part just so you can see the process one more time, and I zoomed in so it could be a little bit closer. This is my cousin, Madison. Say hi, Madison.
No.
She's going to be in some of my videos because I'm going to do her hair. And I just wanted to show you the length of it. It comes to the floor, Maddie. Step forward somewhere.
I don't want to run into the wall.
Put your hand facing that way. It comes like to the top of her butt. So.
Buttocks.
Alright, you can turn around. So, yeah. And then we gotta dip the ends and do her baby hair. So, I'll show you how it looks after I dip the ends and do her baby hairs. I don't know why the camera's so bright. That's really cute, Maddie. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be doing another video soon. I think I'm gonna do a wash and go so we can see how that goes. You have anything to say, Maddie?
No.
Wanna spend my time with you. I hate when you're down in blue.